Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. Today we are going to do class ninth English, The Lost Child. Okay, so let's begin. This is the book from Moments book. Moments book. This chapter. Okay, let's begin. About the Ramulkrat Anand is an Indian writer. Was an Indian writer who was born in 1905. He is notable for his depiction of the lives of poor castes in traditional Indian history. Mainly, he used to write about the poor and the traditional in the Indian society. He is admired for his novels and short stories, which has been acquired the status of classical of modern Indian literature. Means he has been well known for his modern India English literature, short notices, novels. He received civil honor of the Padma Bhushan in 1968. He received the award of Padma Bhushan in 1968. Now let's begin with the story, the main introduction of the story. The story This Lost Child was published in 1934. This story narrates the plight of a child who used to got lost in a carnival. There in a village there was a carnival village there was a carnival where he got lost from his parents. It is a this story is a heart touching story, and its ending is the sad ending. Means you will able to cry in this ending, but it is a sad ending. Okay, let's move. This is a thought for the day. Be sure to spend your time with your parents while you can, because one day when you look up from your busy life, they won't be there anymore. This thought means that be sure that you have to spend half an hour with your parents, because when you just look your parents from your busy life, they won't be there anymore. Okay, now let's get into the story. It is was the spring fair. What fair? Spring fair. Remember this question come. It was a spring fair. All the people were going to it. Now in any of if a in a village there is a carnival, so every people used to go because they have only carnival that can be enjoyed. Okay, it was a carnival. It was a spring fair, means it was spring time and the carnival was there. Everyone was going with your family. Some walked, some were walking towards the some were riding on the horse, some go to the with the bullock cart. But the little child with his going with his parent, he goes with his parent. He was overexcited and overjoyed for his visit to carnival. When he remained behind, means his father goes somewhere in the village and he remained from behind from them. Her father asked him to come. He was remained behind. Her father was going in far. So her father see and tell him to come. He remained behind the father. He said, I will not come, I will remain behind. Why? He remained behind to see the toys in the shop. Every kid wanted the toys, new toys every kid wanted. But his parents couldn't buy it. So he looked around other things that what I want, because my parents would not be able to buy this toy for me. So I will look any other thing. Now it was season of mustard feeling. Which season? Mustard feeling. This question come. Remember this. Which season? Mustard flowering. Remember this. Mustard flowering. All the fields were looking gold with it. The dragonflies were flying over the mustard flowers. The mustard flowers, the upper of mustard flower, all the dragonflies were flying. The child tried to catch one of them. The child tried to catch one dragon, but her mother called him. He ran towards his parents. Her mother called. He said, "Leave it. Let's go to the parents." He go to his parents. He had the dough queen. He had picked the petals. You can say petals, stones. You can say petals. Petals are stones. He picked the petals in the grove then. He also ran to found the banana tree. But again, when he go to banana tree, his parents called him. So the child reached the now fair. Now in the fair there was a sweet meat seller. He was calling gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi, all these things. The sweet shop was greatly decorated with different types of sweet. Now, if you are a kid and you like the burfi, so you will, if you see a burfi seller, you will definitely plan to buy it. Now, all there were many sweets, but the he likes burfi. If you see many sweets in a sweet seller shop, you will be your mouth will be that I have to eat it. Now his mind comes that I want now burfi because burfi was his favorite sweet. Now burfi is saying so was unheated. Now his parents now he want burfi. Next day, see the child went now again his parents called, so he went again ahead with his parents. Now a flower shop came. The flower shop seller was saying that a garland of glimmer. The child want that flower basket. Now he want a garland also, but he knew that his parents would refuse. His parents would deny to buy him that flower basket or garland. Now again he moved on with his parents. Now then he saw a balloon seller. What he saw? Balloon seller. He want balloons. There was balloon of various colors: blue, black, green, yellow, many colors. Now the child knew that his parents would not buy him a balloon, but he wanted. Now he knew that his parents would not buy, so he think let's move further. The child then saw a snake charmer. Now he was playing a flute too. This is a snake. He went near the snake charmer, but knew that his parents would has not to hear such music. So now he again went and then he saw merry-go-round. Men, women, children, etc. were enjoying ride on it. The child go, I want to go to the roundabout. Please father, please mother. But there was no reply because now the child has been lost. Now he say there was a ride. Now child was there. He is a child. Now child want all that ride. He was seek towards the ride because if you are attracted towards her, you will see it. And his parents go far from him. Now he think that I want it right now, I will take it. But when he said that I want to go to the right, there was no reply. Why? Because his father mother gone far and he has been totally lost in a big fear. Now there were many people how he will find. So the children cry with the heads deep throat. He cried, I want mother, I want father. His tears were rolling down her eyes. He cried and cried to and fro, but he is not able to see his parents. People laugh on the kid and talk about the kid. Then he ran to a shrine. There was a big crowd. The child went bit ahead, means he goes some further between the people's feet. There were men, this one man and this man. Their leg is there and hand is there. Okay, now the children, he went from there was a big crowd, many people like there was there, so he went through the between of the man's leg. Okay, now the child went bit ahead with the people's between the people's feet, but again the people pushed him back, go back. Now a man heard his cry. A man in the crowd heard that the children cry. He lifted the kid in his arm. The man asked the child, how you are there? He also asked what are your parents' name? But the child nothing said. I want my father, I want my mother. He was crying. The only thing he saying. The man took the merry-go-round, the ride which was he talking about. But he asked, you want to go to the right on the horse? But he said, I want my father, I want my mother. Then he take the balloon, but child also again saw, no, I want my mother, I want my father. Then he take the flower seller, do you want flower garland? No. He said, I want mother, I want my father. Then he took to the sweet, which was his favorite burfi. He was his was favorite sweet. He said, "Do you want burfi?" No, I want mother. I want no father. Means everything which he want was then another man was giving him, but he only want that time, his mother and his father. It is a universal story that is written in the perspective of our Indian village life. Probably these kinds of children have parents, and these are children and parents have exist in our country or in our society also. The most popular thing about this story is this: throughout the nation of the child and the parents are not given any names. The most interesting thing about this story is, in the whole story there was no name about his parents, about his child. The child is the perspective of universal childhood, and the parents are true advocates of universal paternity disciplining the child under tight treatment. But despite all checks and restrictions, nothing is greater importance in the life of the bond relation between a child and his. Nothing is important in the universe between a relationship between a child and his parents. Some may hidden humor in the story. Its central humor is maturity, and its idea for maturity are open to serious conflict. Anand's idea that maturity can be measured in terms of things like losing the child or the parents, or the child loses his parent. It serves the metaphor for human life. It tells a story of a physiology quest of a child, of a growth in our creativity, compassion, and confidence. In a deeper level, the story is symbolic. The child represents human being in general. The fair is symbolizing the world. The attraction to the fair appeal to the senses. Toys appeal to eyes. Burfi appeals to palate. Flowers have visual and olfactory appeal. Balloons have visual appeal, and music has oral appeal. In other words, we can say these attractions represent several pleasures, or these are the temptation that human being came across in the world. It is only when a person is lost he can be found, and the boy has found that the most important thing in the whole world is his parents. The most important thing in the whole world. So guys, that was all for today's session. We will meet in the next session, but before going, let me give you a short summary of this chapter. Summary: the main thing, when he wanted thing but his parent refused, but another man was giving him, but at that time he don't, because he want only his parent. This story summary, you can take this as the most important thing in the world is parents and nothing else. Okay guys, so that was all for today's session. We'll in the next session, and don't forget to subscribe the classes. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. Like the video, share with your friends who want this summary and the full concept clearance of this story. Okay, we will meet in the next session with another new chapter and a new topic. After that, stay safe.